If your Uplay profile picture is not updating, then we know how to fix it. Watch this video till the end and learn how to solve it. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, the home of all tech solutions. When your Uplay profile picture is not updating, simply follow as shown in this video to fix it. Before we get into the solution, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the solutions or if you're facing any issue while performing them. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Now, let's jump into the solutions. The first thing you need to do when you change your avatar in Ubisoft is to restart the Uplay launcher. When you keep the Uplay launcher open, it doesn't have time to update the new avatar. Close the Uplay launcher and relaunch it. Do the same with any Uplay games you have kept open while changing the profile picture. Method 2. If restarting the launcher and the game doesn't update the profile picture, try clearing the cache. Press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys to open the Task Manager. In the Processes tab, locate the Uplay process and right-click on it. Select the End Task option from the pop-up menu. Now, right-click on the Uplay desktop icon. Select the Open File Location option. This will open the installation folder of the Uplay launcher. Locate the cache folder and right-click on it. Select the Rename option and change the name to cache.old or anything else you like. Relaunch Uplay launcher and check if the profile picture has been updated or not. Method 3. Another reason for profile picture not updating in Ubisoft is server issues. If Ubisoft servers are down, then the profile picture won't likely update. To check whether the servers are down, visit the Ubisoft's Facebook, Twitter or forums. If you find that the servers are actually down, then you cannot do anything other than wait for the servers to get running again. Method 4. If none of the earlier methods work, you can try this workaround. The profile picture you changed may have somehow become glitched. Try changing it to something else and then change it back to the avatar you want. It may or may not work, but there is no harm giving it a try. We have already made a video on how to change the Uplay profile picture, so you can check that out. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If the issue isn't resolved from the solutions we have shown here, comment below to let us know and our team will try their best to help you out. Also join our Facebook group for direct tech support. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.